Imagine a real creature that can turn back time and start life over. No myth, just nature's genius. Deep in our oceans lives the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. When threatened or old, it reverts to its earliest stage, beginning again. Nearly invisible, it's less than 5 millimeters across, yet can reset its life cycle. Aging isn't the end, but a new beginning. This is not science fiction. It's one of the ocean's most astonishing realities. Most creatures age and die, but the immortal jellyfish breaks the rules. When old or injured, it reverses its life cycle, transforming from adult back to a youthful polyp. This reset can happen over and over, making it biologically immortal, unless eaten or diseased. The immortal jellyfish is a living example that aging isn't always a one-way street. The immortal jellyfish's secret? Transdifferentiation. Its cells can change jobs, reverting to stem cells and becoming whatever the new polyp needs. The jellyfish's body is overhauled, adult structures break down and are recycled. Only Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its whole life cycle, nature's ultimate shapeshifter. Human aging is a slow decline. Our cells lose their spark and our bodies wear out. But the immortal jellyfish sidesteps aging, resetting its cellular clock and emerging fresh each time. Scientists hope to unlock the secrets behind this transformation. Imagine if we could help our own cells heal, inspired by this jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish is a cellular masterpiece, showing us what's possible. The immortal jellyfish challenges the idea that all life must end. Its ability to reset inspires us to rethink aging and healing. From the ocean's depths, it reminds us to keep exploring and learning from nature's wonders.